For this project, I'm going to use 4mm cotton cord. You could buy a rope at rightrope.com and use our code HABITMADE5 to get 5% discount. First, let's cut 3 cords with 10 feet length each. Get this second cord and use this as your lead cord and make double half hitch knot. We're gonna do a semicircle design. Let's just keep on making double half hitch going to the right. Then we have to make another lark's head knot by putting this cord over, and then we'll get this through and put this under and pull it through, and there you have it, another lark's head knot. Then let's add another cord with 10 feet length on the right side. Then we'll do the same thing. We're gonna skip one cord and we'll do double half hitch knot. It's just that this time going to the opposite direction, which is to the left side. Then make a lark's head knot by putting this over and putting this under and through and pull it tight. Then let's add another 10 feet cord on the left side and do the same thing. Skip the first cord and make the second cord as your lead cord to make double half hitch knot. Since we have a gap here, I'm gonna add another cord. This time, I'm gonna add 7 feet length of cord. To do this, we're gonna do a reverse lark's head knot. Then we'll continue making double half hitch knot going to the right. Then create lark's head knot again, and we're gonna add another cord on this side. Again, cut another 10 feet cord and make a lark's head knot. Then let's add another 10 feet. Now, when you find a gap, it's for you to add another reverse lark's head knot or cow's hitch knot. So I just added one, and I'm gonna continue making double half hitch knot all the way to the right. Cut 7 feet cord for all the reverse lark's head knot that we're gonna add. I'm gonna add another 7 feet reverse lark's head on this side. It's actually up to you to decide if you're gonna add one more, depending on your judgment on the gap that we're gonna have along the way. Then add another 10 feet cord. Then let's add another 10 feet cord on this side. This is gonna be our last cord. But definitely you could add another 10 feet cord depending on the project that you're making. But for this one, I just added 6 cords with 10 feet length each because this measurement is based on the Half Mandala Wall Hanging tutorial that I've created. You could definitely check that video if you would like to continue this project to that Half Mandala Wall Hanging. Since I have a gap here, I'm gonna add another reverse lark's head knot. And continue making double half hitch all the way to the right. So we have another gap here. So I'm gonna add cow hitch or reverse lark's head knot. By the end, we should have 7 layers of semicircle. Again, you can continue this project to that half mandala wall hanging, so I have the link in the description box.